Hello everyone. With this video, I am going to start a new chapter, cash flow statement. And cash flow statement is a part of financial analysis. Students, in cash flow statement, we analyze the short-term management of cash and cash equivalents during an accounting period. So students, we prepare this statement to analyze the different incomings or outgoings or inflows or outflows of cash and cash equivalents in different types of business activities like operating activities, investing activities and financing activities which are made throughout the accounting period. So students, cash flow statement is a wide chapter, so we will discuss different topics and subtopics of this chapter along with some practical questions in the next videos. So this is just an introductory video to understand the basic concepts, the fundamentals or theoretical base of cash flow statement. So students, a cash flow statement is a statement to analyze the changes in cash and cash equivalents during a particular period or accounting period. This statement presents inflows of cash, means receipts or incoming, and outflow of cash, which means payment or outgoing, during a particular accounting period. In simple words, it is a summary of sources and applications. Application means uses of cash and cash equivalents during a particular span of time, that is accounting period or financial year. The cash flow statement analyzes the reasons for changes in the balance of cash between two balances of cash into different balance sheets. A cash flow statement includes only those items which affect cash due to following activities. So students, in cash flow statement we are going to analyze the different changes in cash balances during two accounting periods or two dates of balance sheets. So students, in this statement we include different inflow and outflows of cash and cash equivalents. Cash equivalents means those items which can be converted into cash without any delay of time and without any risk of decrease in value of these assets. For example, demand deposits, current investment, marketable securities, etc. So students, a cash flow statement includes only those items which affect cash due to following activities. It means we include three activities or three business activities which are operating activities, investing activities and financing activities. And there are various inflows and outflows of cash in these business activities, and we have to present these activities and their inflow or outflow of cash and cash equivalents during an accounting period in this cash flow statement separately. So operating activities means main business activities and core activities which generate revenue regularly. It means operating activities are the main activities or the core activities which generate revenue regularly. Investing activities means those activities which are related to sale, purchase, expenses, incomes or fixed assets. It means investing activities are concerned with acquisition of long-term assets, fixed assets, non-current assets such as building, furniture, machinery, etc. and their expenses, their sales and their incomes. Next is financing activities. Financing activities means all those activities which are concerned with generation of funds and capital to operate business activities and their redemption or refund of long-term loans or long-term borrowings. So financing activities are concerned with related to generation of funds, capital and finance and their utilization. Now we will discuss the objectives of cash flow statement. Students, we have to prepare cash flow statement for the purpose of different reasons. And the main reasons or objectives are to ascertain change in cash and cash equivalent. It means through cash flow statement we are going to analyze the various changes in cash and cash equivalents in different types of business activities, operating, investing and financing activities. तो कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट में हम सारा कैश इनफ्लो और आउटफ्लो देखने जा रहे हैं, एनालाइज करने जा रहे हैं जो कि ऑपरेटिंग, इन्वेस्टिंग और फाइनेंसिंग एक्टिविटीज में हुआ है किसी अकाउंटिंग पीरियड के दौरान. Second objective is to ascertain application of cash and cash equivalents. It means we are going to understand the basic utilization of cash generated during the year or the cash which has been kept as balance from previous year. तो हम ये फर्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव में हमने ये देखा कि कैश बैलेंसेस में क्या चेंजेस हुए और सेकंड ऑब्जेक्टिव में हमने ये देखा कि जो कैश जनरेट हुई उसका इस्तेमाल किस तरह से हुआ, किस एक्टिविटी में ज्यादा हुआ या फिर कम हुआ. थर्ड ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू ascertain sources of cash and cash equivalents from three business activities which have been stated earlier. It means we are going to analyze the sources of cash generation. कैश कहां से जनरेट हुआ, किस एक्टिविटी में कितना कैश आया, ये एनालाइज कर रहे हैं थ्रू कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट. एंड द फोर्थ ऑब्जेक्टिव इज टू हाईलाइट, टू फोकस अपॉन, टू हाईलाइट the main cash generating and utilizing activities and their overall effect on cash balance. फोर्थ ऑब्जेक्टिव में हम ये एनालाइज कर रहे हैं कि किस बिजनेस एक्टिविटी में ज्यादा कैश जनरेटेड हुआ और यूटिलाइज हुआ. तो हम ये हाईलाइट कर रहे हैं कि किस एक्टिविटी में ज्यादा कैश आया या किस एक्टिविटी में ज्यादा कैश यूटिलाइज करा गया, खर्च करा गया, आउटफ्लो हुआ. एंड देयर ओवरऑल इफेक्ट ऑन कैश बैलेंस, और इन एक्टिविटीज का टोटल कैश बैलेंस पर क्या फर्क पड़ा, क्या इफेक्ट पड़ा, क्या इंपैक्ट पड़ा. स्टूडेंट्स, ये ऑब्जेक्टिव्स याद रखने के लिए हम एक कीवर्ड बना सकते हैं. वी कैन मेक ए कीवर्ड बाय टेकिंग द लेटर ऑफ एवरी ऑब्जेक्टिव हेडिंग. So we can make a keyword to memorize by taking C A S H. We can take the letter C from chain, A from application, sources, S and highlight H. So the keyword becomes CASH, cash. And we can remember it by cash objectives of CFS. Cash objectives of CFS. It means we are analyzing cash through cash flow statement. Students, now we will discuss the importance or uses of cash flow statement. Importance or uses of cash flow statement. Cash flow statement is very important for different types of cash management and financial planning. So students, the basic uses or importance are useful for short-term financial planning. It means cash flow statement is very useful for financial planning. Through proper maintenance of cash, we can analyze the different incomings or outgoings of cash during an accounting period, and we can take decisions for financial utilization and generation of funds for the forthcoming accounting period. तो स्टूडेंट्स, कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट की सहायता से हम अपने कैश को ठीक से मैनेज कर सकते हैं और फ्यूचर में अपने फाइनेंशियल डिसीजंस को सही तरीके से ले सकते हैं और कैश का और फाइनेंस का सही से इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट ऑब्जेक्टिव इज प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कैश बजट. कैश बजट मीन्स ए प्लान इन एडवांस to utilize cash. It means with the help of cash flow statement we can analyze our future generation of funds and utilization of funds, and we can make a plan or cash budget for better cash management in the next accounting period. Third importance is ascertaining cash flow in different activities. Through cash flow statement, we can analyze the different incomings or outflows in different types of business activities separately. Fourth is comparison with cash budget. In the beginning of the accounting period, we prepare a cash budget or cash plan for better management of cash, and we can compare this plan with the actual inflow or outflow of cash. तो वास्तव में जो हमने प्लान किया और वास्तव में जो हुआ उससे हम कंपेयर कर सकते हैं कि हमने कैश मैनेजमेंट किस तरह से किया और कहां पर गलती हुई या कहां हमने बेहतर किया. नेक्स्ट इंपॉर्टेंस इज एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ डिविएशंस ऑफ कैश फ्रॉम अर्निंग्स. स्टूडेंट्स, विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट वी कैन एनालाइज एंड स्टडी एंड कंपेयर द एक्चुअल अर्निंग्स एंड द एक्चुअल कैश जनरेशन. तो हम ये एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि वास्तव में हमने कितनी अर्निंग जनरेट करी और उसके बदले में कैश कितना आया हमारे पास. नेक्स्ट इज ट्रेड एनालिसिस ऑफ कैश रिसीट्स एंड पेमेंट. इट मीन्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट वी कैन एनालाइज द पैटर्न्स और फ्लोज और अप्स एंड डाउन्स चेंजेस in the receiving of cash and payments of cash. तो किस पीरियड में हमारे पास कैश ज्यादा जनरेट हुआ या यूटिलाइज हुआ, किस एक्टिविटी से कैश ज्यादा आई या ज्यादा यूटिलाइज हुई, ये पैटर्न्स हम चेक कर सकते हैं कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के जरिए और अपने कैश फ्लो को प्रॉपर्ली मैनेज कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड डिविडेंड डिसीजंस. इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड डिविडेंड डिसीजंस. इट मीन्स through proper cash management, we can decide more effectively and efficiently to invest in long-term resources and to pay dividends or share from profits to our stakeholders or shareholders. तो कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के जरिए हम ये एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि कब हमें पैसा इन्वेस्ट करना है लॉन्ग टर्म एसेट्स में या हमें कितनी अमाउंट में डिविडेंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करना है अपने शेयर होल्डर्स को और स्टेक होल्डर्स को जिन्होंने पैसा लगाया हुआ है बिजनेस में. नेक्स्ट इज मैनेजरियल डिसीजंस एनालिसिस. मैनेजरियल डिसीजन एनालिसिस, इट मीन्स थ्रू प्रॉपर स्टडी ऑफ कैश फ्लो मैनेजमेंट वी कैन एनालाइज दैट वेदर द मैनेजमेंट डिसीजन टेकन अर्लियर प्रूव टू बी करेक्ट और नॉट. हम एनालाइज कर सकते हैं कि जो मैनेजमेंट ने डिसीजन लिए थे कैश फ्लो मैनेजमेंट के लिए वो प्रॉपरली एग्जीक्यूट हुए या नहीं हुए, वो सही साबित हुए या नहीं हुए, उनमें कहाँ सुधार की आवश्यकता है और कहाँ पर मिस्टेक हुई और किस तरह से हमने कैश को प्रॉपरली मैनेज किया या फिर नहीं किया. नेक्स्ट इज यूजफुल फॉर एक्सटर्नल यूजर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन. These two words, useful for, are common for every heading. So useful for external users of information. It means cash flow statement is also important for the purpose of different types of researches and study by different types of external users such as bankers, creditors, suppliers, taxation authorities and management. And it can be utilized by different types of outsiders also. So students, we have studied the exact meaning of cash flow statement, the purposes of preparing cash flow statement, and the uses or importance of cash flow statement in this video. Students, we can also make a keyword to learn or memorize the importance of cash flow statement by taking the first letter of every heading, leaving the two words. We can take S, P, A, C, E and T, I, M, E. It means we can make a word or keyword to memorize the objectives of cash flow statement. And the keyword becomes space and time. SPAC space and is a connective word and time. It means with the help of cash flow statement, the management is getting enough space and time to manage cash effectively. तो हम ये याद कर सकते हैं कि कैश फ्लो स्टेटमेंट के जरिए मैनेजमेंट को प्रॉपरली स्पेस मिल रहा है और टाइम मिल रहा है कि वो कैश को बेहतर तरीके से मैनेज कर सके. So students, this is just an introductory video and we will discuss further topics, subtopics and practical questions in the next videos for better understanding of cash flow statement. Thanks. Have a nice day.